In this Outlier review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really make money by doing all of the job that is listed on this website. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Outlier is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that is personally helping me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So Outlier is basically a job portal and you can find a lot of job which I'm going to be showing you in this video. But what this job is about is that you are actually gonna help AI advance by doing all of these jobs. So you're going to be helping AI to advance by completing all this job, and you're going to be getting paid for every single job that you do. So let me show you some of the jobs that you can be doing in Outlier. So if you scroll a bit down, you can see some of the job that you can do. So you can be a generalist, you can be someone who knows math, chemistry, law, history, coding, data science. So you're going to be helping AI advance by solving all these jobs. So let me show you one of the topics, which is the generalist. So you have got almost 95 jobs in the generalist section, and the first one, you can be a advanced coder and there is an AI training. You can be coders AI training, then you can be a coding expert, and you can be an AI writing evaluator and trainer as well. Or you can maybe translate to certain languages that they are preferring. So let me choose one of this. So I'm going to press on this. So the preferred qualification that they want from Hindi writers is that they want a professional translator, they want an enrollment or completion of an undergraduate program in humanities. Then they want an experienced writing professional who has experience in these relevant field, and also a graduate program relating to creative writing. So the pay is going to be $7.50 per hour, and it is global. So that's pretty good. And also you have a duration. The duration is variable and depending on the project length. So you're going to be having a lot of jobs. So you can discover all this job in the website. But the problem is, are you actually going to be getting paid if you do all these tasks and all these stuff? So they have rating and ranking. So if you're not capable of doing all those hard tasks, you can also rate and rank and you can get paid for that. But the real question is what I just asked: can you really make money using this website? The website look absolutely fantastic, and they are providing actually a lot of job to you guys, and it sounds excellent. If you look at this platform, it's an amazing platform. They have a lot of job and they pay good money as well. So are they actually paying that much? So to understand that, I have dig deeper into Outlier AI. So what I did is I went to Trustpilot and I actually looked at the score of Outlier. So apparently they have got only 2.5 star review, which is actually pretty low. So if you look at the 1 star, almost 60% of the people has given them 1 star review. So that is a strong recommendation that you guys should actually stay away from this website. The thing is, a website like Trustpilot, if anything about 4 star, you can blindly trust the website. But anything less than 4 star, it's really not going to be that legitimate. So that's the problem. So the Trustpilot has given it only 2.5 star review, which is pretty low. So I have gone through some of the reviews. I've read a lot of reviews from Trustpilot, and all of them says that the backend of Outlier, right? So they are showing us a lot of jobs. So they are showing hundreds of jobs in the front end of Outlier. But if you actually sign up and actually do the task, the truth is there is not a lot of tasks. The number of tasks is going to be relatively low compared to what they're showing in the generalist. If you look, there is a lot of job. There is almost 95 jobs, but if you go inside and if you actually dig in, you're not going to be getting a lot of job. So that's kind of like a downfall. And also other reviews say that they actually don't pay the money they are telling us to. So suppose if you are going to get paid $80 per hour, they're only going to pay you like 5 or 10 bucks for the job. So that is also kind of like a downfall. And also some other people, they're also facing that is that after you do the job, they are not going to pay you. So a lot of people have fallen into that as well. You can see some of the 5-star review, but they are probably fake. The reason is that the 5-star is just 19%. You guys need to understand that, and the 1-star is almost 60%, which is a lot. So overall, if it were me, I would have stayed away from a website like this. And I really won't recommend you guys to have a look at Outlier AI. But if you want to look at it, you can go ahead if you want. But I suggest you guys not go with this website, because this website looks absolutely fantastic. If you look at the front end of it, the website is absolutely awesome and all that stuff. But the back end is pretty, it is not going really well, which is why I won't recommend this. But if you want to check it out, you can check it out. So that's basically it for this video. And if you're here to look at other ways to make money online, I have a strong recommendation in which I personally make $0 to $5,000 to $10,000 per month. If you want the strategy, you can click the first link in the description. It's basically a free affiliate marketing guide. So if you want it, you can click the first link in the description. And I hope to see you on another review video.